Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Saina Sekhri and for today's video we are doing another fashion haul. This time I went ahead and shopped on Flipkart. Flipkart has to be one of my favorite websites to shop from. Now one of the reasons has to be that fashion on Flipkart is super affordable and all the clothes are of super good quality. Now this happens because of the Flipkart assured products, which means that it goes through 6 quality checks. So when it comes to affordability, Flipkart is one of the best value for money platforms, and I went ahead and picked some outfits under the 299 category, 399 category, 499 category, 599 category. Yes, they have some amazing deals going on, so you can pick according to your budget and style. One thing that I absolutely love about Flipkart is that new styles are refreshed on a weekly basis, so that is something that I always look forward to. They also have a super easy return policy just in case you don't like something or if something doesn't fit you well. Another thing that I absolutely love about Flipkart is that you can go ahead and shop in any vernacular language. So all the items that I got are under rupees 599. I went ahead and shopped from different categories. There were categories like under 199, under 299, under 399, 499, 599 and so on. I'm very excited for today's haul because I got my hands on some gems. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So let's talk about what I am wearing right now. It is a very beautiful color. It is a lilac knitted top. It has a regular neck and I absolutely love the button detailing that goes in the front. So this t-shirt has some regular sleeves and it is a crop top, but it is so comfortable to wear. I absolutely love the color and the fabric. I think it looks very nice and chic. And I got my hands on this t-shirt for just rupees 279. Next up is a jumpsuit that I got my hands on, and I'll be very honest with you, when I was scrolling through Flipkart, I found some really nice styles and outfits, and it was really affordable. Most of the outfits that I've got are probably black in color, so please bear with me. This is a very nice, simple and casual jumpsuit that you can probably go ahead and wear outside when you don't know what else to wear. The fabric of the sleeves is a crepe, so it is semi-translucent, if that makes sense. And on the cuffs there is some polka dotted fabric just to give like an edge to it. So the jumpsuit has 3/4 sleeves and it gives you a regular fit. It also has like a zip at the back so that you can easily wear it. I think I will style this up with some pumps or heels and it will look really nice and classy. And I got my hands on this jumpsuit for just rupees 387. The next thing that I'm going to show you guys is honestly one of my favorite things from the entire haul. I absolutely loved it the moment I saw it, and also because of the price. So it is a denim jacket and on the edges it has this white fur and it is so cozy. I absolutely loved it, and iske sleeves pe bhi fur hai, and when I wore it I just felt like a little fur baby. I'll be very honest, okay, I'm just dragging it way too much, but this honestly looks very cool when you wear it. It looks very cute and girly. So the hoodie is also detachable, so you can easily just remove it whenever you feel like. So I got this denim jacket for rupees 499 and I think I'm gonna wear this way often this winter season. Next up I have something in a very different color. I don't think I own something like this either. This is probably my first time buying something in maroon, if I am not wrong, but this is a very simple full sleeves high neck t-shirt. I just felt like I wanted to get my hands on something like this for the winter season. So it's a full sleeves, super casual, solid high collar top, and I just wanted to get my hands on it, so I felt like I can pair this solid top with a lot of different bottoms for the winter season. It will look really nice when I layer different coats or jackets over it. So the fabric is polyester and I got my hands on this for rupees 325. So this another full sleeves t-shirt that I got my hands on is a very regular t-shirt. It has these white stripes on the sleeves. I'm thinking to hit the gym the next month and I think I might just be wearing this to the gym or even on an everyday basis. You know, it's just very simple to throw on. I can easily pair this up with some black or white joggers and I'm good to go, and I got my hands on this for rupees 349. So next up I got my hands on a sweatshirt for the winter season. I wanted to get my hands on something that's super comfortable, casual, and I can easily wear this outside. This sweatshirt says Tokyo and it is in a rainbow format. So it is threaded and it looks really nice. Very simple, very casual, very soft fabric. So if you look at it closely, it's not white, it's actually a grey color, and this has a slight layer of fleece under it. So I just feel like it is going to keep me warm, and honestly the price is to die for. It is just for rupees 272. Can you guys imagine? And I think you can surely go ahead and check out this on Flipkart. I'll link it in the description box below. Again, a very simple solid black t-shirt, but this is half sleeves. This I'll probably wear in the summer season, but I still got my hands on it. I don't really have anything to say about it because it's a simple black basic t-shirt. It is body hugging, so I felt like that's great. It is a high neck t-shirt and I feel like that is back in trend, and I got my hands on this for rupees 229. Another thing that I got my hands on is also black, but it is a top. This is a little bit of a different style. I don't really know how I can go ahead and explain. So basically this is the choker that comes here, and then this is like this basically is like a sleeveless top, except that this part is attached to the collar, to the choker. It's a crop top, so looks great with some high-waisted denim pants or even some black leather pants, I feel like. And for the price, I got this for 312 rupees. So next up, I got my hands on another black top, except for the fact that it has a very different neckline. But if you look at the neckline, it is sort of what you call the laser cut neckline, and I feel like it looks very nice. So at the end, it sort of gives you like a V neck, and it is super comfortable to wear, super simple, and yet it looks like you've sort of put an effort in your outfit. So I got this top for rupees 399. So next up, I got my hands on this very basic dress. You know, there are times when I just want to go ahead and throw on a dress because I don't have the mind to pair outfits. I feel like t-shirt dresses are absolutely great and easy to style because you just need to wear them. You just need some white sneakers, a bum bag, and you're good to go. And it is absolutely worth the price that you're paying. It is just for rupees 238. So that's it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found some amazing gems that are there on Flipkart. I don't think there's any going back now that I know that Flipkart has some amazing and affordable fashion. I will be linking all the outfits in the description box below so that it is easier for you to find on Flipkart. And I think that's it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share it with your friends and family. Make sure you give a comment down below. Tell me which one was your favorite item from this entire haul, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.